Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your Android emojis look like iPhone emoji. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. And here's a step-by-step guide to do this. To begin, head over to the Google Play Store and your Android device. Once there, initiate a search for an application known as iOS Emoji for Android. Upon locating the app, proceed to tap on the Install button. After the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Upon opening the app, you'll be directed to its interface, and here, locate and tap on the Enable option, ensuring that the app is granted the necessary permissions. Confirm your action by tapping OK, and then proceed to tap OK once again. And now, select the Select option, and within the subsequent settings, toggle the switch for iOS style emoji. Additionally, verify that Show Keyboard button is enabled. Follow any additional prompts that may appear. Navigate to your messaging app and choose a chat head. Within the text input field, tap on the text message. You'll notice a transformation as your keyboard seamlessly adopts the appearance of an iOS keyboard. To access the iOS emojis, tap on the emoji button. And voila! Your Android device has now successfully integrated iOS emojis, providing you with a fresh and familiar aesthetic in your messaging experience. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.